Hello dear children. Today in this class we are going to do some revision work from lesson 4 to lesson 10. So without any further delay, let's get started. Lesson number 4, page number 41, life skills and values. Number 1, why did Mary call Martha's mother a kind woman? Answer, Mary called Martha's mother a kind woman because she was very helpful. Number 2, why do you think Mary disliked Martha at first? Mary disliked Martha because she had a feeling that she came from a rich family and Martha from a working class family. Number 3, do you think Mary finally appreciated Martha? Give reason for your answer. Answer, yes, Mary finally appreciated Martha because Martha helped her to admire the beauty of the world and relationships. Next is from lesson number 6, page number 59, life skills and values. Number 1, why are Geechee Manido's words of wisdom also words of warning? Answer, Geechee Manido's words of wisdom were words of warning because he knows that there was no gain in war and bloodsheds which would tear them apart from each other. Number 2, what advice does he give his children? He advises his children to understand the importance of peace and harmony. Lesson 7 from page number 67. Why do you think Sudan's death was symbolic? Answer, Sudan's death was symbolic because we must take its death as a wake-up call to preserve rest of the species. Number 2, it is said that the greatest tragedy that our world can suffer from is to watch a species disappear. Do you agree with this statement? Give your reason. Answer, yes, I agree with this statement. Next part, give your reason. If we allow the second largest animal on the planet to go extinct, then there is less chance of other smaller species. Life skill and values, lesson number 8, page number 75. Number 1, what are the benefits of planting a tree as mentioned in the poem? Is planting a tree an important activity for mankind? Answer, the benefits of planting a tree are: A, it provides a home for Mother Croon and friends for the sun and the sky. Number B, it gives shade and rain and plants a forest heritage. Number C, it builds the nation's growth. Yes, planting a tree is an important activity for mankind. Number 2, the poet says that by planting tree, a person contributes to the nation's growth. Do you agree? Give reason for your answer. Yes, I agree. By planting a tree, man directly or indirectly contributes to the nation growth and for the unborn eyes who will nurture this gift of nature in the coming age. Lesson number 9, page number 83, life skills and values. What kind of boy was Phaethon? Describe him. Phaethon was overconfident and stubborn. Phaethon was the son of Helios, who was proud of his father and wanted to be like him. He wanted to ride the chariot of the sun to impress his friends. Number 2, Phaethon could have easily avoided his fate. What qualities, if he had had them, would have helped him to do so? If he would have been obedient to his father, it would help him easily saved his life. Number 3, when did Phaethon realize that he had made a mistake? Phaethon realized his mistake when he couldn't control the horses and had taken more than he could handle. Life Skill and Values, Lesson 10, page number 89. Hercules caught the golden deer even though it took him 1 year to do so. What does it tell you about him? Answer. It tells us about his extraordinary strength and dedication towards his work. Number 2. Do you agree that Hercules was a courageous warrior? Which was the task which needed him to be the bravest? Give reason for your answer. Answer. Yes, I agree that Hercules was a courageous warrior. To catch a golden deer was the task which needed him to be the bravest because it took him 1 full year to do so. So dear children, prepare this answer, write it in your copy, learn these answers. Okay, I have written the page number also where you have all these questions, and your Viva exam will start from 1st of September till 15. So be prepared, learn the poems, practice reading, learn the word meanings, learn long question and answer, short question and answer, and all these questions that I have given today also. Understood? So all the best and keep learning. Thank you.